Hey guys, for those of you who don't know, my name is Kisha Barner and I am the CEO and founder of K Barner Events. Over the past 16 years of planning and designing weddings and events, there's been a common conversation piece that comes up and there's an issue surrounding that, and that's budget. A lot of times I find that clients get engaged, they're super excited, they go out, they book a venue, and they haven't set a budget, but I know what you should be budgeting. So I decided to do something about it. I wrote a book. It is called Back to Reality, Creating a Wedding Budget, Happy, in Love, and Informed. My book contains 14 chapters of just realistic information on what you should be doing to properly budget for your wedding. I also created a budget worksheet template. In this template, not only is there the blank sheet for you to put in your own numbers, but there are examples for 4 different specific budgets. There's also a venue questionnaire template, which contains over 65 potential questions that you could ask during your venue tours. I even created a line of cute t-shirts. There's Cheap and Bougie Bride, Just Bougie, and Just Bougie Bride t-shirt. If you get the book, you'll get the reference. But either way, if you don't, they're still cute, so you can grab one. All of these items are available right on our brand new website on our shop page. The link is in the bio. I've made everything at an affordable rate for everyone. So buy one for yourself, get one for your friend, just spread the word, and thank you for supporting.